Hello guys, my name is Tresni Clara and here I am to presentation about what I know. As I know, linguistic is science about language and language is worth to studying. And because without language we can talk to each other, right? And in when we use a language we can express our feeling to show up what I feel and convey to information and also to ask opinion. And in linguistic have there's elements is like phonology, phonetic, morphology, syntax, semantic, or lexicology and pragmatics. And that's the I get. Okay. Anyone question? Okay.
Can you explain what pragmatics?
For me, pragmatics is the how is conversation is managed. Like conversation is sentence to talk to each other, and pragmatics is like how to conversation is managed. This is that enough. Okay, thank you.
What do you think about phonology?
Phonology is system of communication. It's like have a accent to talk with to talk to each other, and in phonology is how to spoken of language. Is that what I get? Okay, thank you. Okay, next.
What's your opinion about the definition of linguistics?
The definition of linguistic is typical in dictionary. It's talk about science of language because what is the because linguistic is just a science of language in Noam Chomsky theories. They apply because he applied linguistic is science of language. Just that what I get. Okay.
Do you have anything to tell?
I want to talk about the elements that I know. Phonology. The first is phonetic. Phonetic is how sound can create in sentence, and the second is phonology. Phonology is the how to spoke of language. Is the system communication of sound. And the third is morphology. Morphology is internal structure of word, have dealing with structure of words. And the fourth is syntax. Syntax is deals with sentence, how to combine the word into the sentence. And the five is semantic. Semantic is the meaning of language, and in semantic we have divided into two parts. Is lexical semantic and sentence semantic. Lexical semantic just have deal with word, but in sentence semantic have deals with meaning of sentence. It's the mean what the sentence. And next is pragmatics. Pragmatics is how is conversation as is managed. And the last is lexicology. Lexicology is the word dealing with the vocabulary and the properties for word as the main units. Is that?
What about your opinion about work to study?
Word to language word to study it because without language we can talk to each other, we can express our feeling. For example, to talk with deaf people we must to use a sign language to make they get understand what I say, right? To say with animal language we must to use animal language to make they understand what I want or what we want, like that. Okay. Thank you. Hello guys, my name is Trisni Clara and here I am to present what I get when I read the topic 3. And as I know, is about the anatomy of linguistic. Linguistic is science of language and I read also about what is language worth to studying it because someone to argue that our ability about speak to each other, and when we use a language we can talk to each other and we can convey to information, and also we can express our feeling to show what we feel. And in linguistic have the elements and functional is the phonetic, phonology, morphology, and also morphology, syntax, pragmatics, lexicology, and the last is this semantic. Or yeah, it's semantic. Anyone question? First, okay, indeed.
Okay, can you explain about semantics?
Semantic is the meaning of language, and in semantic is divided into two parts. Is a lexical semantic and also sentence semantic. Lexical semantic is just have deal or relationship with word, just word. But in semantic, sentence semantic have deal with meaning of the sentence, mean of the word, like that. You know? Thank you. Okay.
Talking about, can you explain about morphology?
Oh, morphology is the structure of word. Like because its morphology deals with internal structure, how we create the word into sentence. Like because morphology have dealing with syntax.
Thank you. What do you know about syntax?
Syntax is how to create a word into sentence, like how combine word make to into sentence, then sentence will be understanding to each other. Thank you.
Can you explain about phonetics?
Phonetics is how create a sound with some part of body, like with mouth to talk with each other, teeth, and tongue. Is that just phonetic?
What else?
To share information of knowledge. It's 3 minutes.
What is your opinion about the structure of linguistics?
Structure is linguistic is elements. Yeah, it's phonetic like that. It's have 7. Yeah. What I say before is phonology. Phonology is how sound. Phonetic how sound can create. In phonology, how system of spoken of language, and morphology is internal structure of word, and the 4 is syntax. Syntax how word can create into sentences, and sentences will be understanding to each other. And the 5 is semantic. Semantic is the meaning of language, and pragmatics is how is conversation is managed, is conversation. And the last is lexicology. Lexicology is about the language dealing with the vocabulary and the properties of word as the main units. That's why I get about structure. Thank you.
What else? I guess you have.
Okay.
Just wait for the.
What else? I guess have.
Want to take a picture? Move. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Send it to the group later.
Okay.
Send it to one of us.
It's 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, one. Bye bye. Okay, hello guys. My name is Tristan Clara, and I'm from group. Hello, and I'm from group 2. And here I am to tell about what I get when I read the topic 3, the anatomy of linguistic studies. What I get is linguistic is science of language. Because Noam Chomsky taught that linguistic is science of language, and why language is worth to studying, because for me language, without language we can't talk to each other, and we can, when we use a language we can convey information and ask opinion, and also we can express to our feeling. And in linguistic, there are have elements, or elements has a functional is phonology, phonetic, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatics, and also lexicology. Anyone question to me? Okay. Lexicology is about the part of linguistic have a dealing vocabulary of language, and have the property the words as the main units. That's what I get. Enough for you? Thank you. Okay.
What about syntax?
Syntax is how create a sentence before word. It's like how word can create into sentence to talk each other, and sentence will be understanding to talk. Is enough for you? Okay, thank you. Okay.
First, do you know anything about macro and micro linguistics?
Macro linguistics is a big description about linguistic.
So it's on a larger scope.
Yeah, for me.
Micro.
Micro is the smallest describe.
Give some example about the branch in micro and micro.
Uh, I don't know about the example for the micro linguistic or macro linguistic. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry.
Tell me the word that linguistic or language is important.
Oh, it's important to use. Oh, can you repeat the question?
Can you tell me the word that linguistic or language is important in that word? You know?
Word is
Yeah,
important to.
profession. That linguistic is important.
Wait.
Language.
Professions that uses linguistic.
Use language.
Wait. Word is important to linguistic or sentence.
No, like work that is related with linguistics.
That use.
Oh, is word a word is used to linguistic. Alright?
Yeah.
Because in language have a word to make a sentence.
It's a profession.
Profession.
If you're being a lecturer, like of course you use linguistics to teach others. And what is the other profession that uses linguistics?
Profession. Um,
Move on to other.
Do you think it's still relevant to study linguistics in this era?
what?
Is still relevant or not?
What?
Or not?
Yes. Yes, or it's relevant to learn linguistic in this area, in this
Era.
era.
And how can you differentiate between semantics and pragmatics? Because it still deals with meanings.
Semantics and
Semantics and pragmatics.
semantic is the meaning of language, and pragmatics is conversation is managed. I think it's different. Doesn't have a dealing.
It's still the use of language in pragmatics.
Oh, okay. Okay, thanks. I don't know.
Move on to the others.
not yet. Okay, thank you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, hello guys. My name is Trisni Clara. I'm from Group 2, and here I am to tell about what I get when I read the topic, the anatomy of linguistic studies. Okay, the first is linguistic is a science of language, and
Maybe you can just asking question.
oh, okay. For the first.
I'm gonna ask first. Well, in linguistics, say that language is central. Why? Opinion. Why does language is science in linguistics?
Okay, linguistic is science because science to study about why how create a word to talk with each other, because linguistic is a science of language. Language is how we talk to each other, how we use to express our feeling to convey information to each other. That's what I get about linguistic. Okay, thank you.
So what is element in linguistics?
Okay, element is linguistic divided 7 parts. Is phonetic. Should I description about is a phonetic, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, and pragmatics, and also the last is lexicology. Okay.
Can you explain about language?
What?
Language.
Language is the how we talk to each other, right? I think that is that a simple to talk to each other, to know what they want for me or what we want to ask, like that. Okay.
For me, phonetic and phonology is study about sound. Right?
Okay.
What's the difference?
Okay, the difference is in phonetic is about how sound can create, but in phonology is system of sound communication. It's like intonation or dialect, have British or American, is like that, to how to speak of language. I think is that the difference. Okay, is enough? It's 2 minutes. About the elements? Yeah. Okay. The first is phonetic.
No, but the list is 7 words. Lexicology.
Oh, lexicology. Lexicology is the part of linguistic have dealing with the vocabulary or grammar of a language, and the property for words as the main units. I just know about that. Have the deals with the vocabulary. Pragmatic is how is conversation are managed. How about how create a conversation to talk with each other.
Linguistic importance in our language.
Yes, because linguistic is talk about science of language, and language word to use in every human language. Because in language we have sign language, human language, animal language to talk with each other. I think important.
Linguistic seems like grammar.
What?
Linguistic seems like grammar.
I think the different because linguistic have a structure is a grammar, not linguistic is grammar. But yes. Okay. Four. 40. 4. 40.
Just wait.
Okay. 1, 2, taking photo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. I already have the photo on the group when I present her.
When you have a time,
I don't know. Okay. 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 Just thinking.
maybe because you talk fast, that's why time still.
is about 1 second. Okay, bye. Okay, hello guys. My name is Trisni Clara and I'm from Group 2, and here I am to talk about what I get when I read the topic 3 about the anatomy of linguistic studies. What I get is linguistic is science of language, and in linguistic have these elements. R is divided into 7 parts. Is phonetic, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, and pragmatics, and also the last is lexicology. And language is worth to studying because some part use language to argue with each other, convey information or gather information to talk about what's going on in our world, and express our feeling to know what we feel. And that's what I get. Any question for us? Who's the first? Okay.
Can you explain about lexicology?
Like?
Lexicology.
Okay, lexicology, what I get is the part of linguistic with dealing the vocabulary of language and the property of words as the main units. I just know about that. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Can you tell me about what is pragmatics?
Pragmatic is how is conversation are managed to talk with each other, like sentence to have communication with each other. Thank you. Okay.
Can you explain about syntax?
Syntax. Okay. Syntax is how word can be organized into sentence, like how make the sentence before make a word like that. And syntax is sentence will be understanding to talk with each other. Yeah, okay.
Can you tell the reason why the language is science?
Okay. I think is the theory of Noam Chomsky. He talked about linguistic is science of language. I just know that because he talked in these theories. It's linguistic is science of language. I just know that. An explanation. Okay.
Semantic have 2 parts, right?
Yeah.
I have lexical semantic
Okay.
and sentence.
Mm.
Can you explain me
Okay, I love this part. The example, I think, I don't know.
Just explain why.
Okay, lexical is just have a dealing or relationship with just the word. But in sentence semantic is have the dealing is have relationship with the meaning of the sentence. Is the mean what the sentence can be talked. But in lexical is just about word, have a relationship with word. I just know it. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's 3 minutes. I don't know. Okay. Types.
Oh no, we can know types of linguistic by covered by like
What?
topic of linguistic.
The topic?
Linguistic. Like,
Like-
oral linguistic and ethno-linguistic, neuro-linguistic, and mathematical linguistic.
I think I didn't read that
Oh,
the part. I guess I'm sorry.
Explain it. I just wanted to know you read it.
I just remember about the elements of linguistic because it's stuck in my
Stuck anyway.
yeah. Just waiting. Trisni Clara, not Udi. Kalah. Clara to Kala. Ya, Trisni Clara. Not Udi. Want to taking photo? because I have photo of the. Okay, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.